In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will walk you through each step with clarity and precision to ensure you can seamlessly integrate your domain with Google's powerful suite of tools. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access your Namecheap account. Head over to the Namecheap website and locate the account button, typically found on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login details. Carefully type in your username and password. It's crucial to ensure that your details are correct to avoid any delays or complications. Once you've entered your credentials, look for the sign in and continue button and click on it to proceed. After you've successfully logged into your account, you will be directed to the Namecheap dashboard. This is your central hub for managing domains and additional services. Locate and click on the dashboard link. This will display all your registered domains. Find the domain you'd like to connect to Google Workspace. Simply copy the domain name. This can often be done by highlighting the domain name, right-clicking and selecting Copy. Make sure you have this ready as you'll need it shortly. Now that you have your domain name, it's time to switch over to Google Workspace. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. Once there, you'll want to find your way to the Home section. This is where you'll manage your organization's settings and services. In the Home section, scroll down until you see the Domains section at the bottom. The setup may differ slightly depending on updates, but it is usually situated towards the end of the page. Once you've located it, click on it to open the Domain Management options. Here you'll need to click on Add a Domain. This action will allow you to input and verify your Namecheap domain. You are now prompted to paste the domain name you copied earlier. Ensure that you paste it in the exact format as copied, without any additional spaces or characters. After pasting, look for the Add Domain and Start Verification button and click it. This is a crucial step as it begins the process of linking your domain to Google Workspace. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Namecheap domain is now connected to Google Workspace. You'll be able to verify your domain and begin using all the integrated tools and features that Google Workspace offers. Remember, this process may require a few minutes for the settings to fully propagate across platforms. Thanks for following along. With this newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to harnessing the full power of your online presence. Until next time.